Righto, TV here from RideADV. I just want to have a quick chat about the Camel brake pedal we've been testing and it's just gone on sale. Full disclosure before I start this is standard pads, standard hose, standard caliper, standard master cylinder, standard fluid, completely standard. There's nothing wrong with the braking system on this bike. The problem that some people have had is with this brake pedal and its flex and its leverage and the amount of travel that it's had. This one doesn't have that travel. That's it. That's the back brake now. Okay, returns to place. It's all spot. It's just the real deal. It's just taken away any of those things that people were talking about. As with all of Corey's products, he's researched, he's tested it. We've been lucky enough to have one here. We've done a ton of Ks on it. It's strong. It's everything it's supposed to be. He's offering a money back guarantee. If that doesn't sell it, nothing will. We've ordered sets now for all of our bikes, for all of our crew guys. All the crew guys have had a look at it, had a ride up. They know what it's like. Everyone loves it, so it's the real deal. If you takes any more convincing, ready his money back guarantee. Watch his video. It's awesome.